How to change photo layout after posting on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change the layout of your photos on Facebook that have already been posted. First thing first, you have to open your Facebook app. From here you want to tap on this menu icon at the top right of your screen and head over to your profile. Then if you scroll down, you will see the post that you have created and you will first have to edit the post. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. Just tap on those three dots beside your post and you will see an option to edit post. And now you see different options to choose a layout. You can do classic like this, or you can do columns. You can do banners and frames. It was frames by default when I posted it. So let's say if I want to do it as columns, which looks quite cool, I'm just going to choose this and tap on save at the top right of your screen. You can even edit your captions if you want, but I'm just going to do it like this. And now if you refresh your page, it will show up as these columns. And that's how you can change photo layout after posting on Facebook. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.